That's gross.
There you go. There you go.
Am I going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way.
Yeah.
Figures. The first one breaks right off. This one's like, oh no, we're gonna twist off and then we're gonna get stuck.
See, everything was easy. Now it's not so easy, is it?
I didn't say it. I'm not the one who jinxes shit. I just go, yeah, it's gonna break.
There you go, He-Man.
Hercules, Hercules.
Hercules, Hercules. Ooh, there's a cool Porsche. There was a nice Porsche and Dan's butt crack in the same shot.
Wow.
Wow.
Which was
We could charge for that.
Which was more beautiful.
I don't know. Sorry, the Porsche.
Ah.
Maybe next time.
Exactly.
How's the scraping?
Oh, it's freaking the
I
most
know.
disgusting thing you can imagine.
I got to watch Scotty do this shit all day today, so I've already seen this all day. I've already seen this show.
Deja vu.
Yeah. And it was on the T-Bird. How ironic.
Wow. I guess they're dirty clothes.
Yeah.
I need that garbage pail.
There you go. Scrapey, scrapey.
Well,
Let me see if Allie's got another little
We're getting another pail.
Oh, you know what? There you go.
It's a little baby one.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, scrapey, scrapey.
Where's the? I'm gonna get a little light first, so we know.
It's got a filter. There we go. This is gonna be cool. All right. Clean, clean, clean.
How far do you go? I mean, I don't know where to. Am I hitting the right spots?
There you go. Yeah, keep scraping. You gotta get, because you can't even get to the hardware now, right now, because there's so much shit.
Where's the bolt? We have to up there too?
Yeah, we gotta get all that off.
Oh, that has to come off?
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Oh,
Here.
that was easy.
Look at, wait. Let's hear. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
You.
Oh,
My lord.
are those bolts coming out up there?
Those bolts come out.
Oh, they do?
Yes.
Oh, shoot.
Right here.
These up here, yeah.